Hi, I'm Nigel Barker, and I'm going to show you 3 ways to dramatically light a scene using just one light source with an umbrella. First of all, I've got Rosalind here as my model on set. I've got the umbrella about 45 degrees from her, and we have a sock over it. And it's going to cast quite a dramatic light on one side of her, and the black V-flats on the other side are going to soak up that light. So really, really dramatic, very simple. Grab this picture. Gorgeous there. Come in for a close-up. Beautiful right there. Beautiful. Super simple. It's so classic. White seamless is probably the most classic background you have, and using the light from this one side makes the background go a little grey, a little dark. Now I'm going to try something completely different. We're going to move it right the way to the front. Toby, would you give me a hand? This is my assistant, Toby. And what I'm doing now is placing the light source right behind me, and this will actually help fill the entire scene, of course, and sort of mimic what it would be like if this particular seamless was facing this wall of windows. It'll be more of a natural lit look and more commercial. We're going to put black V-flats up on this side as well, and that's creating nice shadowing on the face as this light comes in from the front, creating dimension. Perfect right there. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Love that, really pretty. Beautiful. Really pretty, lovely. Fantastic. And you see how quick you can really change the light up. We're now going to go overhead, create something quite dramatic. The umbrella will literally bounce off the white, come back into her face, almost creating 2 light sources out of one, and also adding a lot of drama. I might actually also take the sock off. We'll have a look first. Now, you don't have to take the sock off, obviously. You can keep the sock on if you like it to be softer. But by taking the sock off, it actually makes the light more speculative, and it actually makes various areas like the cheekbones and any angle makes the light bounce off it even more. The sort of silver shine picks up the silver shine on all those edges and really creates some nice dimension. I can back you up a tiny bit. Thank you. Now what you might notice here is, the umbrella's obviously right above her head, but it's not right over the top of her. In fact, it's just in front of her. So sometimes when you're lighting a scene, you feel that the model has to be right in the middle of the light. Play with the model just outside of the light, because you're going to get the wraparound effect of the light source itself, which is what we're going to see right now. Just chin up a tiny bit. It's that kind of attitude, chin up a little bit. That's there. Gorgeous. Love that. You can even look all the way down to the ground. Bring your whole head down even more. Now right up again, one more, for a few more. And there you have it. 3 dramatically different lighting setups in literally just a few minutes. Thank you very much, Rosalind. We went from a side light, super dramatic, lit on one side, dark on the other, a light that's really a very full, more commercial light feeling, and then one where it's overhead, which is more of an advertising, dramatic, perhaps even editorial light, all using an umbrella.